Alright, it's nice. Nice. Yours on.
Good morning, guys. Our threesome is back in the water. Dan and Josh. So, and today we're going offshore. Only this time we're gonna be targeting Mahi. So we're gonna get to a buoys and to a pots out there. So we'll try to catch some Mahi. I went out last year with the guys, but I'm yet to catch my own Mahi. So hopefully this year will be the lucky year. So just stay with us. We're gonna get out there with the line and see what we can catch. Guys, here we are. Here's our first pot. So I'm gonna try this minnow and we'll see. It's on.
Yours on.
Ah, came off. Oh no, it's still there.
Oh, somebody's got a Mahi. You got his first Mahi.
My first Mahi, but yeah, I was expecting something bigger than this, but still a Mahi.
Don't look that gift horse in the mouth. Right?
Yep.
Oh, goodness gracious.
Here's my first Mahi. A tiny one.
Here you go.
Yeah.
There you go.
Right next to the pot.
Oh, you got it right?
Yeah.
Good deal.
All right.
All right, Josh, I busted
So
out.
let's see.
Sitting on the bottom of my box, man.
If I catch something bigger. All right, that's all we got on this. One small Mahi Mahi, and we're gonna move to the next buoy. And while we're going there, we're gonna troll and see if anything bites.
What's that?
Jet ski.
Oh, yeah?
All right, fish on.
All right, great job. Whoa. That's a nice bend, Jura.
All right.
Great job.
It's not big. Maybe seabass. They love.
Inside joke, guys.
Yeah, they love me. Especially the small ones.
Yeah, we were way down there, weren't you? Ah! That's a nice sea bass, though.
Yeah, and your line too. Damn.
I was wondering why I was getting. That's not my line. It's Josh's line.
Oh, Josh's line. Yeah.
That might be legal, bud. Say 11, 12 inches. Oh man, just barely missed, man.
12.
12 and a half, man.
All right.
So you were way down there, huh?
Yeah. Pretty much on the bottom. Off he goes. Yep. Hold on. Fish on. Another sea bass. Yeah, it's in the bottom. Yep.
Wow.
Another sea bass.
At least they're not the tiny ones.
Grab my jigging rod.
Deeper.
Yeah.
Good deal, man.
There you go.
You gonna keep it for you?
There you go.
You gonna keep it, bud?
Yeah, sure, why not?
All right, there you go. Good deal.
Fish on. on a squid.
So you got all 3 baits, huh? Peanut bunker, minnows, and squid. Good job, Dura.
Another sea bass.
Now you got me.
Well, this is a small one. For sure.
This bag of sardines was $5 at Aldi or at Lidl.
There you
Dura's
go.
on to his favorite species.
Sea bass never leaves me hanging. There you go. Yeah. Oh.
He's got him.
Oh.
Did you break the rod? He broke the rod.
Oh
Got
man.
him on still?
He broke the rod.
Nice, Josh got him.
He broke the rod. He got him. Yeah, there you go. Yep. There it is.
Alright, we gotta go back there. Fall from the back of the motor now.
Whoa, that's a nice. Oh, trashing. Hey.
Josh snapped his rod right in half.
Yeah, snap the rod.
What did it do? Hit the anchor, Josh?
No, the rod just snapped.
Yeah. Needed pliers?
Whoa.
No. Yeah. I mean, I saw it swim by and I dropped my squid down there at the same level it was at. And
Oh, you are disconnected?
no, yeah, I'm disconnected. Yeah, the line is the handle.
Okay. Here we go.
Oh no.
Yeah, side fish this. Mahi.
Cooler just broke.
What?
The cooler broke at the hinge.
Holy crap.
Was that?
Cooler broke.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
I mean, I'll still stay closed, but.
All right.
Alright, let's drop this bugger down in here. See, the whole cooler broke.
Yeah. The whole thing broke.
I think it all dry rotted, bud. Nice looking
Yeah,
Mahi. Now it's a
nice.
female. So if you look
Yep.
at the head right here,
It's round.
it's not the right angle that you saw on the last one that Josh got last year. And
it's-
it looks
it's
like the
round.
eye color's a little bit different too.
Round head, not
But,
square.
Nice job getting that.
All right. Here we go.
Reel them up, Kira.
All right. The small ones. Bunch small ones.
Right there, Jack.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Well, you know where I'm at. Sky target, I mean, I got 1 pound. Gotcha. Yeah, we're going to
Are they still around there?
Yeah, they're working on the freaking bait right now. Look.
Nice.
They're working the bait. And look.
Alright, so I have a chance not to be skunked.
Tiny jugs. And they're just chasing. I'm pulling this one and there's just a bunch of them chasing it.
Damn, you're going right after that big hook, huh?
Yeah.
Alright.
All right.
One already made ready here.
You jacks. Jackasses.
Bet you throw a little cast master in these buggers, though.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I got one in there.
They're gonna kill it.
Shit, I gotta walk all the way over there.
Yeah, they're already working on the bait. I mean, they won't let any other fish to get it.
Is there other ones besides the jacks there?
Nah, just small ones.
Just the jacks?
Banded rudderfish.
Yes! I got a small enough hook for him.
Yeah, but they're just tiny. Just waste of time.
Huh? For me? There you go. Nothing's a waste of time here. It's always content, buddy.
Look.
Oh, he just dropped him in the
That's
bucket.
bait.
He's gonna go to town on him.
That's a bait. There it is. Look. They biting on anything. They biting on anything.
That's it. They'll probably bite in there if you look.
Oh my God. The little ones.
Well, as I said, we're going to make a trip here and then we're going to come out a little further.
This is a no cast fish. Just drop it in there like you're
All right, well, let me know if anything happens.
They're aggressive. No one will pop out of the water.
Yeah, they're going nuts. Just look at them. Look at these guys.
I promise you guys, we are going to get onto the Mahi, but these are fun.
Oh man.
Sometimes you just got to do a little bit of catching.
Right. You got to go back to your little young days, your school days. Popping off to the local pond after spring.
Well, this is fun, of course, but no big fish so far. Well, we got one nice mahi, but yeah, this is fun, like fishing for bluegills.
That's amazing how many are down there. Oh, helps open the bail, Dan. Jesus almighty.
Yeah. Yeah,
I thought I sideswiped them.
big shark right there. Holy
Look at this thing.
and off it went. All right, we've been trolling for a while now, but trolling didn't pan out. So we didn't get any hits, and we back to buoys and pods fishing for mahi. So there's a D-buoy in front of us. That's where we're gonna stop and try, and then we'll go to
Pot hopping again.
pot hopping again. There you go. Yeah, look at them. Look at them. They following my bait
Holy
already.
shit. Look in between them, man.
Yeah, there you go.
Nice. What's that? Look at the size of that one right there, man. Look at that big one.
Yeah.
Look at that big one.
That one is
So
bigger.
I'm gonna try. Drop down a little bit deeper. Here's all. There's a nice one, Josh, right there.
Yeah, it's not bad.
That's a nice one right there. Look at
Yeah.
that. And he swallowed it. They're trying to molest that peanut bunker.
Well,
They're trying to eat that.
Oh,
Oh, that's a mahi. That's a mahi. On the peanut bunker.
Yep.
Two
Oh,
of them.
there's
Two
two
of
of
them.
them.
Oh, look, 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 look. He's coming. He's coming. 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 Right there. Right there. Right there. Get off there. He's coming in here. He's right over here to my backside.
God damn it, little shit.
There you go. He just went for my bait. He's going over towards it. He's going over towards it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Right out there. See him? Straight across. Two of them, they're right side by side.
Oh crap! It's always like that.
got one. He's a ripper. He's a ripper. Yes. That's a nice one, Josh. Woo.
Sorry, you're.
Okay.
Whoa, man. Go under me. Go under me. Go under me.
Oh crap! It's mine.
No. Don't do anything. Don't do anything.
Okay.
Let's go.
It's just gonna wrap up. You won't be able to pull. Dan. Hold on.
Still on there. It's still on there.
Hold on. Bring it over.
Don't want it.
All right. All right.
Get the net, girl.
All right.
Get off that pot. Get off that pot.
Okay, you got it.
Man, that's a nice one. He's coming up towards the troll him. I gotta lead him. No. No. Come on, buddy. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. It's coming right at you, Earl. Coming right at you. Coming right at you.
Come on. And
Get him.
all those jugs. No, it's just too deep.
There you go. Let him come around again.
Yeah. Bring it over.
Here he comes.
Bring him over.
The bull.
Nope.
Alright, here. You're.
Huh? Got him.
Yep. Just put it under.
Hold it.
Boom.
There you go. Nice. Boom.
Look at
Woo-hoo-hoo. Whoa.
Nice. There you go, man. Flip him over a little bit, boss, so we can see him. Nice.
Hey, sorry we cut your line. You're.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, we're gonna get a shot with him.
Nice.
Right in the eye, man. Perfect shot, bud. Come on, buddy.
That was immediately after I was like, "Throw it down, guys."
You don't want to sit still for nothing, you're.
Yeah, but it's okay. I got a few pictures.
Do me a favor, can you grab mine?
All right, it's nice.
Nice. Yours on. I'm sitting there eating my sandwich. Gotta watch my
Dan. That camera. Push it on. All right.
I'll try, Rob.
Here he comes.
Crunch. Oh.
Yeah, this one is smaller. And there's another one right after him.
you, y'all.
Oh, keep him in the water.
Keep him in the water. Where's he at? Oh, right there, right behind him, Josh.
right there.
Right directly behind him. Over here.
Right here,
Coming across.
at the
Grab
bow.
my rod right here, Josh.
Goddamn jackrabbit.
He's
coming
coming.
your
He's coming here.
Here he comes. Towards you. He's right there. See him?
It's right there. 9 o'clock. All right, then let's pick this one up.
All right, Josh is trying to search
all
for
right.
the other one.
Woo.
Good job, Yura.
Woo. Got him.
What's that?
No,
What the hell did I do with my phone?
not going to. Whoa, he's thrashing like hell. Look at him.
Nice job, Yura.
All right,
Grab my camera behind you.
there he is. There he is.
All right, in the box she goes.
Yeah.
Stuff out of here first.
All right.
In the box she goes.
Boom.
Awesome. All right, boys.
Yeah.
5 mahis on the day so far.
Woohoo.
Great job, Yura. Pound.
Boom.
Oh, sea robin. Nice.
Oh.
Josh got a nice little sea robin there, jigging for a sea bass.
Flying Grenard.
All right, guys, we got back to Massi's Landing, and today was pretty good day. I caught my first mahi, then got his PB mahi, and Josh caught 4. So he caught the most today. So between catching mahi and sea bass and those savage jacks. We had fun. I mean, we used different baits. We used the squid, and we used sardines. We used minnows and peanut bunker.
And what else do we use?
And we just cut up jacks.
Yep.
And Josh caught a couple on the jacks pieces. So I mean, we had fun.
It was hot out there today too.
It was hot, yeah. It was getting to the point that, yeah, it's completely like, I just want to jump into the water. But at the end, wind picked up and it was much cooler. So anyhow, we caught 8 Mahi Mahi.
5 in the bucket
overall, and we have 5 in a bucket here.
Plus 2 jacks and then a sea bass keeper.
Yeah, 2 jacks and a sea bass.
Yep.
1 or 2, I think it's two
Yep.
sea bass. Yeah, so overall it was a good day, guys. And if you like this video, guys, hit thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and X @Fishy Angler. And I hope to see you guys in the next episode.